Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you how a filter component is implemented in a Spring integration application. A bonus tip, are you in a hurry to learn Spring integration? Well, I have good news for you all who want to understand the fundamentals of Spring integration. Check out the Udemy course link in description and you can access all the Spring integration training videos in just one click. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Mr. Kek so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Open Spring Integration project in Eclipse IDE. Step 1. Let's write the controller code. In Employee Controller class, let's add the code for filter. Now, what are filters? Message filters are used to decide whether a message should be passed along or dropped based on some criteria. Let's copy the get mapping call and update it. Change the method name to get employee if a developer. The gateway method call to get employee if a developer. And path value as slash get employee if a developer slash emp designation. Now change the path variable name to emp designation. Step 2. Let's write the gateway code. In employee gateway interface, add a comment and copy the splitter code. Change method name to get employee if a developer. Passed parameter to emp designation. And request channel to dev emp channel. Step 3. Let's write the service code. In employee service class, let's add the code for filter. Add and define a filter method with return type as boolean and also pass a message parameter of type message. Now add @filter annotation on top of the method and import it. Pass an input and an output channel. So the output channel will be the output channel and our input channel will be the one mentioned in the gateway interface method, that is dev emp channel. And so the request goes from the request channel of gateway to the input channel of service. Now let's implement the filter code. Fetch the payload from the message and convert it to string. Now return the message that contains dev string. Save the file and start the application. Hence, the get mapping calls the gateway method and the message goes from the request channel of gateway to the input channel of service and then finally returns the message as the output using the output channel. Step 4. Open Postman tool. Make a GET call using REST API. Localhost colon 8080 slash integrate slash get employee if a developer slash senior developer, and click on send button. You can see we got the message senior developer in the output. But if we pass test engineer as the message, we get no output, as it does not satisfy the criteria in the filter method. To clear this, go back to Clips. You can see in console log we got value received message from output channel senior developer, for message input as senior developer, but we got an error for the message input as test engineer because test engineer does not contain the dev string. So we have seen how filter component is implemented in a Spring integration application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.